It's super fast, easy, and delicious. My cheesy garlic bread. Hi, I'm Christina Monty Fisher. Welcome to my kitchen. Today, I'm going to show you my version of cheesy garlic bread. That's right, cheesy garlic bread. This is a family favorite. It's not super healthy, but it is on the healthier end of the spectrum. Let's just put it that way. So here are the ingredients for my cheesy garlic bread. Sourdough bread. Today I have 2 loaves because they're kind of small. Normally I get 1 big loaf of sourdough bread. Mozzarella cheese, paprika, garlic powder, softened vegan butter, red chili flakes, 1 clove of garlic minced. I'm going to mince that. Dried parsley, salt and pepper, and then I like to top it with a little bit of fresh parsley at the end. And that's it. Let's get started. So I've got my vegan butter at room temperature. I'm just going to smash it down. Well, it's supposed to be at room temperature. Now my butter is nice and soft. It's super easy. All I'm going to do is I'm going to put my dried parsley in. Love it with dried parsley. All these ingredients are optional. You do not have to do that. I'm going to put garlic powder. I like a very garlicky taste, so I'm going to do garlic powder and garlic. You don't have to, but it is called garlic bread, so, you know. Garlic is very good for you, good for your heart, high in antioxidants, believe it or not. Okay, so now I've got the garlic mixed in. I've got salt and pepper. I'm going to put about half of my salt and pepper in, and then I'll do a little bit more on top of the bread once it's made. Of course, I put red chili flake in everything. So a little bit of red chili flake. I like a little spice. So there it is, it's looking good. Got the spread mixture ready. Now I'm going to cut my sourdough bread in half. Okay, we'll just cut the sourdough bread down the middle. A knife. Well, there's one. So then you've got sourdough bread kind of on your baking sheet. I've preheated my oven to 400 degrees. You can go anywhere between 375 and 400. It's fine, because we're just going to put this yummy garlic bread spread on these 4 sides. So I'm going to just try to put an even amount on each one of them. Oh, it smells so delicious. And what I like to do, get this on here nice and even and beautiful. Then once I spread it everywhere, then I'm going to add the paprika. All right, so that looks nice and even. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to put my paprika on there just a little bit. I don't mix it in because I just feel like it turns the spread into like a reddish color. I just like to add the paprika at the end. So now what we want to do is you want to take some foil. I think this is super important. You want to put the foil over it so when it goes into the oven, it's kind of got a little bit of a steaming effect and baking, but it's not going to dry it out too much. Okay. All right, and we're going to take it over to the oven. I'm going to put it in for 10 minutes in my oven. And looks like this garlic bread, it's baked for 10 minutes. Oh, look at that. Oh my goodness. Okay, I am so happy. Look how pretty. Okay, key to this whole situation now is you want to reset your oven to broil. So let me just go here, enter. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add some mozzarella cheese. You can do whatever cheese you like. I've done it with Parmesan. I noticed with mozzarella it comes out much better. So, wow, this is so pretty. I just feel like we can stop here, but we're going to keep going. This fresh garlic looks amazing. All right, so we're doing cheesy garlic bread, right? I'm going to do just a light sprinkling of cheese. We want some cheese, but I don't want mega amounts of cheese. I want to just keep it nice and just like a nice light layer on top. I'm going to put it in the oven with the broiler on. Here we go. 1 minute. Oh my goodness. Okay. Oh yes, look at that. Yay, yay, yay. So gorgeous. Yummy, yummy, yummy. All right, so let's cut it. Oh my goodness, this is incredible. Okay, I can't right now. I just can't get over how yummy it is. Yay! All right, there it is. It's made, it's done. My cheesy, delicious garlic bread. I hope you check it out. Remember to like, save, share, and that you are deeply loved by God. Thanks for watching.